Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. It's towards the end of the year, and as you get towards the start of a new year, you sometimes see lots of opportunity ads, even in cleaning. And they're kind of marketing entrepreneurial ads, and there's nothing wrong with folks wanting to share their strategy about how to grow a cleaning company. I just wanted to caution you or encourage you about something to be careful when you hear these things, to discriminate between what might sound like a big deal and what the actual reality is. When you hear sometimes folks say, they'll throw out how many millions of dollars they have a cleaning company. And I appreciate that. They're proud. I mean, Tony and I grew a large cleaning company. It took us a long time, but we are very proud. We were eventually, we had sales, annual sales, of a little bit over $2 million when we eventually sold. But again, it took us over 20 years to get to that point. Now, we made a reasonable salary. There were two partners, Tony and I. So we made a reasonable salary, but it wasn't as exciting as the big $2 million at the top of the revenue. I mean, that's a different matter. Sometimes you got to be careful to listen to what people are saying. You'd almost get the idea that they got a $1 million a year company, and this guy's $1 million cleaning guy. $1 million cleaning guy in what way? Working to build a company that bills that per year, that's a good thing. But again, the reality of running that operation, I mean, for years and years, Tony and I took a lot of our money, as you may too, and you put it into equipment and training and everything that you want to do to make a better cleaning company. It's not that we were going out and buying a Ferrari of a brand new color every week to drive. That was not our life. We were living real lives with our family and making a good income. But certainly I just want to encourage you to feel good about what you're doing and not to misinterpret sometimes what you're hearing, especially, like I say, the end of the year, beginning of a new year, when you hear sometimes entrepreneurial ideas. I'm glad they're out there suggesting enthusiasm, and that's great, but I don't want you ever to feel lesser than or discouraged because you misinterpreted their message into something more than it really is. Hope that makes sense. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.